Trevor's always on high alert. Chris is kind of like, alright.
Oh no, it's the worms. It's worms, Sheva!
Let's go. Alright, you know what to shoot on this guy, right?
Porn I have saved on my phone.
Honestly, it's a cherry one.
It's become manifest.
I think that's what got Alpha Team.
So you know what to shoot on it, right?
We have to lure it to the furnace room.
Yes, but you have to shoot the yellow thingies. Oh my fuck. Run.
Okay, we have to lure it in first, then shoot the yellow things.
Yes.
I feel like it'd be easier.
Yes.
Yeah. For this, I'm pulling out Big Daddy.
As long as you don't set me on fire, I think I'll do it. Ooh, that's neat. I know.
We gotta lure it in. Okay, it's coming this way. No, okay,
What?
shoot it.
Run. It don't care. It don't care. I need you to shut that door. I need you to shut that.
Mord, run!
Huh?
Okay, maybe we gotta shoot.
Wait, hold on,
maybe
hold on,
we
hold on.
gotta...
No. Wait. Alright, I can do it. Just shoot it.
Boom!
Shit. Alright, come in here.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming sexual style.
Not again. Oh shit, press the button. No,
Nope.
fuck. How,
Oh,
it
it
takes
dissolved.
that
It
long.
dissolved.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
It
Oh,
came. It came.
Run. Oh my god, he almost grabbed you. I'm not gonna lie. That was kind of scary. Alright, literally run here as soon as he starts to walk. Run the other way!
Run the other way. Oh, my name's Ford. Oh, I popped it.
How did...
Pull the lever, Kronk.
I'm pulling the lever. He has to stay in there though while the doors fucking take 16 years to shut.
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god. This thing pisses me off.
This is not okie dokie.
Not very okie dokie of him. Alright.
It's coming on me. It's coming on me. What?
Yeah.
Pause?
Alright, so what we're gonna do. Alright. As soon as I can't fucking press it. Get out of it. Alright, now I can press it. Alright, stay in there for a second. Oh my god, he fucking glitched out of it. He fucking glitched. Oh my shit.
I'm covered in cum.
Run. Run. Oh my fuck.
Take this.
Take that. Alright, it's still not ready yet.
Pull it.
It wasn't ready. Alright, here, go around again. Okay, now he wants to be fucking stuck in it. Alright. Can I use this on us? Yes. Count.
That's
Alright,
honestly
run.
what I was about to do.
Alright, and then instantly press it. Instantly.
I'm trying.
Think I can take a hit.
Mord, get out! Mord!
Okay. Yeah. Oh no, I know I can jump out. My character can roll. That bitch can't.
Burn.
What'd you think I was gonna do? Sacrifice myself? Fuck no. Sacrifices need to be made.
Return back to the earth where you belong, worm.
I'm on the elevator somewhere. I'm gonna fuck you up, I swear to God.
Come on!
Come on, hurry, hurry! I miss Resident Evil 5. This was my favorite one of all time. And the fact that I'm playing it like over a decade later is fucking
No one
nuts.
cares!
Oh,
I'm sorry.
I'll get him.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come
Hurry.
on!
Let's go.
Let's go. See, Ewok gets it.
Got it.
I got it. I got the memes.
BOW that scumbag Irving left behind to set us up. Considering what
Irving.
it did to Alpha Team, I think we're lucky to still be breathing.
If only we could have gotten there sooner.
If we had, we'd probably be dead too.
Let's try to keep it light.
Chris to HQ, do you copy?
This is HQ. Excellent work out there. We'll analyze the data immediately.
This whole town's gone to hell. The people here, they're acting like those Ganado detailed in the Kennedy report. And aside from that, there's something new, something we've never encountered before.
Our transportation has been taken out too. Requesting a mission update.
The mission stands. Capturing Irving is your top priority. We believe he may have fled to the mines on the other side of the train station.
Wait, we're the only two left. You want us to go in there alone?
Delta team have been dispatched and are on their way. They'll assist you in locating and apprehending Irving.
But wait, we
I
can't!
repeat, your mission stands. We can't afford to let him get away. Proceed to the mines beyond the station. Over and out.
This is insane!
You ever get the feeling?
Well, the things we do for minimum wage, Sheva. Fire Emblem.
Emblem. Wee. Oh fuck, I forgot about this. Oh shit.
What?
So
What?
you're supposed to shoot the thingies.
What happened?
You're supposed to shoot the fucking things. They're coming my way.
I don't know what you want me to do. Da, 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 da.
Listen to me. I'm listening to me fucking greatly. Okay? Alright, let me sell my treasures real quick. Sold.
Let me sell my treasures.
Sold. Sold.
I'm gonna sell this too. Sell this. I basically have a better version of it.
So, what you're supposed to do, right?
Da 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 da.
But,
Come on! Come on!
on!
Come on!
Come on!
Hurry!
Come on!
Come on! Come
Hurry!
on!
Hurry! Come on! You see these fucking barrels?
Morn, come back. Morn, come back. Morn, come back.
Oh, thank you. Now you see these fuck.
So I can make room for this.
Alright.
Okay, I see the barrels. Yes, yes, yes.
Alright, hold on, before I activate this. Fuck, where is the emblem? There's an emblem on this fucking thing. Alright. Shoot the barrels. If not, I die. Okay, thank you. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. I still have only a.
Don't worry, I'll use my grenade.
Oh my god.
Ah, I got shot in the boulder. My big boulder.
How did he fucking survive? Fuck you. Back the fuck up. He's still not dead. So, I have bad news. I only have fucking 6 shotgun shells. Why don't you do it?
I ran out of ammo.
It's not out. Now it is. Now he's dead.
Skill issue.
Skill issue. Hold on. Is it over here? Yes, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.
No, I don't really feel like it.
Get over here.
Fine.
So, see, this is how hidden they are. Right there.
Got it.
Shoot it. Thank you.
I got it.
Well, you wanna go into the alligator infested water? Oh fuck, never mind. That's checkpoint. Go back.
You mean Florida? I'm already familiar with this area.
I'm familiar with this area.
I was playing this area before I even purchased the game. Yummy.
Yay!
Yummy, yummy, and my tummy.
I have a tummy. Oh fuck! Wait, no, you fucking asshole. Let me equip this. Move! Oh. Move! Move!
Time to put the dogs down.
Move! Ouch! Yeah, shotguns are like beautiful against.
Oh, let me take that herb. I have a red.
Huh?
Okay. Give it to me. I have a red herb. Never mind.
Here, I can, mix these. Boom. Oh, wait till we get a little bit lower before.
Can we get much lower?
Press X twice. Thank you. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna make you fucking kick shit, alright? Oh, let me shoot the rat. Yeah, I did it. I think it's knifing the rat.
I look so stupid.
Do I get an achievement for knifing the rat? Oh, it gives you gold if you knife them.
Exterminated.
If you kill the fucking... Oh, fuck. Alright. I'm spamming it out of panic.
Hurry! Hurry! Come on! Come on!
Hurry, hurry. Come on, come on. Ah,
I got a
that one?
My God.
Something's
Oh,
coming.
oh my god, it's the vermin from Black Ops. Tell me that's not the vermin from Black Ops.
no, it is. Bop!
That one's gonna
You
get
can
up.
take some of that.
This guy's gonna get up too.
Oh.
Oh, I just decapitated him.
Oh yeah, and then you just bop! Alright. You and these... God, I should have never showed you these fucking rats. Rats.
It's your fault.
You're right.
Stop messing with
Uh-uh.
this.
Finally, I can make this red-green combo.
Nice.
Because Morn keeps taking all the herbs.
Huh?
Mord!
I'm not taking them all. I'm just making sure they're safe.
Just making sure they're safe.
Okay. Yoink. I'm running so low on ammo, it's actually nuts. Right now, hold on. If I investigate. No. Oh, hi.
Jeez.
Oh my god, a grenade. Oh shit.
I like how they just like hide ammo and crap under fruit, piles of fruit.
Come here. You take that. Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah. Alright, and one of these thingies is an emblem. I just don't know if we gotta trigger the cutscene for it to spawn or not. It's only on one of these things.
It's locked. I need a key.
Yeah, we gotta trigger a cutscene. For it to also work. I remember bits and pieces of this.
But, Mart, use the door.
Why would I do that? I could just jump to the window.
Oh, I found the key.
Oh, one more.
He's been hanged from the ceiling.
Oh, I went in there and I investigated him. I just fucking... Yeah.
How do we... Mart, get over here. I think we need to do teamwork or something.
Okay.
Maybe I could shoot it down?
Yeah, you just shoot it up.
Oh, yep. I'm the smartest!
Yep, there we go. Trigger a cutscene. And then in one of these little stands, there's an emblem.
I do not care.
I do. Alright. Fuck! Bow!
I'm gonna fight you!
Oh fuck, it's a dude! It's a dude! It's a dude! Hold on. Wait, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Fuck. Oh my fuck. Oh my fuck.
He's dead.
Nice. He always drops jewelry. Let me... Ah!
Reload.
Okay, I just got things to reload. What?
Reload my boulder.
Oh look, I found it.
Ruby.
No. You guys are
Bro forgot he was dead. What?
Oh, I found it. It's in here. Got it.
Oh, that's gonna make a great clip. You blew the dude's head off and he continued to run around.
Yeah, I know, that's what
And
happened.
then he just stopped dead in his tracks. Is like, oh crap, I forgot, I'm dead.
Here you go. Nice.
Hook.
Oh, good glitch.
Stomp. I know you like it.
Hi. Finally.
You know what? Here, come here. I'm gonna give you some ammo.
Oh my god, thank you.
I didn't mean to give you that much, but screw it, we ball.
If you need some back, I can give you the cap of it. I can jump down. What the hell? But I don't know why would you want to do that. Oh, cause
I don't know why.
there's a gigantic fucking thingy. That's why. There's a large amount of money down there.
A thingy.
Yes.
Got the herb.
Oh my god, there's a fuck ton of zombies waiting for us. Ow!
You two okay?
No. There's worms down here, man.
Support. It's gonna get hot down there, so watch out.
Roger. Thanks, Cap.
Oh my fuck,
Wow.
dude.
I didn't think HQ actually cared.
Ow, fuck.
You took a hatchet to the
I
forehead.
took a fucking. I didn't know I was playing DVD. The fuck? I'm gonna use that. 'Cause holy shit.
Fling!
Oh my god, it's one of these fucking flyer things.
Uh,
Oh,
There you
thank
go.
you.
combine that with the red you've got.
Oh, I need a shotgun ammo.
Vermin. Black Ops Vermin. From Black Ops, Call of Duty.
Uh-huh.
More like Call of Booty, because
wait.
it's bad.
You know wrong?
Ewok got somebody. Let's go.
Nice. Be gone, but like
Ewok's like a sniper. He's like, yep, that's number 6.
Yeah, there's a
Huh?
herb over there. There's an herb over here.
I do not have room for it. Vermin. I don't think the shotgun was necessary, Morn.
Yeah, against that thing, it knocks it back really bad.
Here, Morn, take the herb. Take the herb.
Okay, hold on. And then let me combine that with that. Bomb.
Stay frosty down there. You're almost at the station.
Stay frosty.
Here, there's some shotgun ammo. Or, no, this is rifle ammo.
Oh, because there's a rifle in here.
Morn, my rifle.
Huh?
My rifle.
Rifle. You want the rifle, I'll give it to you. I just like the rifle for the emblems. Ah, fuck.
Hurry! I got one.
Dang it.
Alexia. Alexa, play Here Comes the Sun.
Do 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 do.
Do do do. The last thing you hear before a nuclear bomb reduces you and your surroundings to atoms is "Here comes the sun." Yeah, I just took that door off.
Oh my fuck. Oh my fuck, double times 2. Thank you. It wouldn't let me do it.
Stomping dudes.
What do you mean it's full? Come here.
I'll hold this for you.
It didn't give it to you? It didn't let me give you the thingy because you're in animation? Huh? I literally
That's
streamed on-
fine. We have spares.
Right. Oh my god, Bubba's been here.
Oh my god, Bubba from Dead by Daylight.
Yeah, look. His chains.
Dirty look, it's dirty look, it's a Bubba.
It's-
There was a Bubba here.
Bye bye.
Oh my god, he had Spirit Fury Enduring.
Come on!
More rifle ammo over here.
Come on! Come on!
Oh.
Come on! Come on!
Okay, now this is the.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Roger.
I hate everything about this.
And the thing is, it only annoys you. I'm fine.
No, I love it, but it's like, holy shit. But we're just in here.
Is that baby?
Yes, it is. Child.
Baby. Here, press right bumper. That's how you pull up the map.
Mm-hmm.
Then we go this way.
What the fuck are those? Matheson HQ! I'm under attack by 5 BOWs! I'm losing engine power! Oh shit! I'm out of control!
I'm gonna control.
I'm going
We're going down. I thought it was we're going down.
Me edging it.
All nearby units proceed to the crash site. Repeat, all nearby units proceed
It's my turn. Get up here. Oh no, I have to jump. I never.
Could you imagine Sheva trying to lift Chris?
We're talking about the same girl that has literally fucking roundhouse kicked a gigantic dude like 16 times her fucking weight
I know,
in
but
size, and it works.
but none of them were Chris.
Oh fuck! Get this bitch off me! Oh my god, he's gonna do it again. I don't feel comfortable with him being this fucking close to me. Oh, ow!
Boom. I'm fisting people.
Oh my god, why do I have to be the one up here?
Boom.
There you go.
Boom! I fisted him so hard he went into the floor.
Nice! Shoot an enemy mazel tov. Cocktail or some other bullshit. I have no more ammo. God damn. When the fuck can I come down?
Whenever you want, I guess. Oh my god. Bro stood there ready to ambush us just to get one tapped in the head.
So what was the point of me going up there?
I guess for a tactical advantage. Hook.
Huh. Oh my god, I had somebody on me.
I could hear Grayson just blabbering away. Just, eh.
Yeah, cause he's on my. Oh shit!
It's locked from the other side. Sheva.
Oh my god. Impale.
Oh, hi, Sheva.
Hello.
How do you like them back shots?
Nice. That's one. Boom. Thank you. I was getting
There
my
you go.
ass kicked at one point.
Hand grenade.
There's a green herb up here. If you want to mix with your red, if you have any space.
Hurry up! Chris! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Hurry up! Come on! Come on! Chris!
You realize this has no effect on me, right?
Hurry up!
Alright, I gotta throw you over.
They're just doing backflips.
Alright,
and
have
shit.
fun.
Right, half of this fucking game is me just being on my own. You get on it?
Half of the game is
Oh,
just me yeeting
fuck.
you across.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Dude, back the fuck. That was an animation. Ah, triggered. Oh fuck.
You know, it's crazy because you have the rifle. So I think you need to shoot the lock out from down here because I can't get out.
Alright.
You need to get down.
Hold on. I need a.
Come on!
Come on.
Come on! Come on! Come
Alright,
on!
oh.
Come on! Come on!
Shoot the.
Come on!
Oh yeah.
Come on! 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 Come on!
Yeah, it's open. It's open. It's open. Yeah, I'm gonna use some ammo.
Ah, I just took a hatchet to my big boulder.
Oh.
Oh,
fuck.
I'm dying. Sheva.
Back.
Nobody touches me or my boulder.
Or my boulder. Nice. Well, you almost got your ass beat.
I almost died, but yeah.
I was like, I hope I'm close to you, cause I went behind the fucking thing.
Oh, that's rifle ammo. That it belongs to you.
I don't need any. I have too fucking much. I already have an entire stack.
I'm gonna give it to you anyway.
Oops, I didn't know this was a cutscene.
Oh my god, it's Bubba!
It's Bubba! I hate this fucking scene. I remember getting stuck on it as a kid. It pissed me off so fucking bad. Oh my god, no. Do not go his way, he one-taps. You gotta hit him with these fucking, like, thingies. Hit him with the explosive barrels. Oh, nice. Do not get close to him. Do not get close to him.
I thought I could grapple him.
Oh, fuck, he's on me.
Well, good luck.
He fucking runs, too. Okay, now you can hit him. If he's on his knees, you can hit him. If not,
I
you-
am not near you.
No, it's okay. I'm fucking running my ass off because he's trying to. Shut up with that beat.
Freddy 5 Bear.
He doesn't know that I play DVD. You know. Oh yeah, same thing with a grenade. Throws them off. Here, back up, back up, back up. Fuck. I think shotguns are effective. Fuck. I don't like getting close to me once house.
Mourned.
Please don't tell me this reload animation's long. Basically fucking is. Why? Whoa, 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 whoa. Why is he after me? Oh, back the fuck up! Please don't tell me this is a fucking dead end.
It's because you're a woman, obviously.
He doesn't know that I played DVD. Oh fuck, I don't think he cares. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my fuck.
Here, grenade.
Here. Never mind. Run. Behind you, behind you, behind you. I play DVD. Y'all know that. Oh shit, he doesn't care. Oh my fuck, oh my fuck, oh my fuck. Stop that. That's not nice. Stop that. That's not nice. Stop. Shit. Stop that. That's not. Can you fuck off? Holy shit.
And I'm out.
I'm out. Oh no.
Run.
Wait, where's grenades and shit? Or am I missing something? Or we're supposed to be doing? I don't know. You can grab that ammo. Do we just leave?
Yeah, I think we're just supposed to go past him.
I don't think so. I remember specifically he dies somehow. Just don't know how. Oh my fuck, dude.
We're boned.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We're so fucking lucky he just died. We're so fucking lucky he just died.
Nah, that was all skill.
Uh-huh. Oh, what the fuck? Anyway. We're really interrupted.